Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about healthy foods are crucial for weight loss as they provide essential nutrients while keeping calorie intake in check. They are typically high in fiber and protein, which promote satiety and reduce overall calorie consumption. Nutrient-dense foods support metabolic processes and overall health, ensuring efficient energy use and fat burning. Additionally, healthy foods can help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and overeating. Consistent intake of wholesome foods contributes to sustainable weight loss and long-term well-being. Here are 10 go-to healthy foods that can help with weight loss. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full without adding many calories. Whole eggs. Eggs are high in protein and healthy fats. They can make you feel full longer and are nutrient-dense, meaning they provide many nutrients for relatively few calories. Salmon. This fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied. It's also great for your metabolism. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts are high in fiber and protein compared to most vegetables. They are also low in calories. Chicken breast and lean meats. These are high in protein and can be very satisfying, helping you eat fewer calories overall. They also have a high thermogenic effect, which means they help burn calories during digestion. Beans and legumes. Lentils, black beans, chickpeas, and similar foods are high in protein and fiber. They are very filling and nutrient. Cottage cheese. This dairy product is high in protein and low in fat and calories. It's a great snack or addition to meals for added protein. Avocados. They are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and various important nutrients. Despite being high in fat, they are not inherently fattening if consumed in moderation. Nuts. Although high in fat, nuts are not as fattening as they might seem. They are an excellent snack, containing balanced amounts of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet, combined with regular physical activity, can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Thank you for watching. If you like video, then click on like and subscribe our channel for more updated videos.